What's up? Welcome back for another video and review into Huck's World. Today we got another nice watch face for you all to check out in the Gear Manager store. This one is coming from Vacuum Tube. I thought he did a really good job on such a dressed down digital casual watch face. Now, the name of the watch face is called Opal. It is a 24-hour watch face based off of the format that you have set on your smartphone. Now in the AOD mode, I really like the look of this watch face. First of all, it's going to be in a black and white theme for the most part, and coming around the bezel of the watch, you are going to get a little bit of color that really makes this stand out in the AOD mode. Once the watch face is on, if you look at the top, you will be able to see the developer's logo, which I like. It looks very nice. You come down, you're going to get the day of the week, your date, of course, your month. Dead center, you're going to get a nice legible digital time. I do like the font on this one as well, along with animated seconds and a PM stamp. Now, right up under the animated seconds, you will see that you get your battery info. That's what these bars represent. And if you come down up under the digital time, I haven't seen anything like this before. I thought it was nice. You're going to get your heart rate information, step information. You're going to also get your calories burned and miles walked or ran. I thought this was definitely nice for a super dressed down casual watch face. Now, the watch face is inactive, so if I tap at the top, I can go into my text messages. If I tap down at the bottom, I can get my weather. Of course, that's cool because the weather is important to me. I need a weather on every watch face. Now, you can customize the color. You double tap on either side. You can change the color theme of this watch face, and I thought it was cool. You can do that for each and every single bar. Change it, and you can also do it for the one at the top as well. Set it to whatever color you want to set this to. Now, I thought this was pretty nice for a dressed down casual watch face. Now, this will be good either for the weekend and or for the work week. Whichever one you decide to choose, you're going to be okay. All right, you all, that's going to be it for the video. Continue to enjoy your weekend, have some fun, and if you enjoyed the video, don't leave before you hit the like button. Like button helps the channel. All right, you all, make sure you subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and again, enjoy the weekend.